The family of senior citizen Aidisari Molsom addressed the media on Saturday demanding swift legal action following a brutal machete attack on Molsom on July 27, expressing grave concern over law enforcement's delay in apprehending the suspect, identified as Dhanya Mohan Jamatia. The victim's family called on authorities to expedite the investigation and secure an immediate arrest. An elderly widow identified as Aidisari Molsom was brutally attacked with a machete by three miscreants at her residence in the Dhanya Molsom area on the Jampi Pathalia Gun. The incident occurred on July 27 when the victim was alone as her only son works outside the state. Hearing her cries for help, local residents rushed to the scene, causing the attackers to flee. One of the suspects has been identified as Dhanya Mohan Jamatia from Killa. Molsom was initially rushed to Bishramganj Hospital and later transferred to GB Hospital due to the severity of her injuries. Police have launched an investigation into the matter. 5 days after a violent assault on senior citizen Aidisari Molsom, local police are here to arrest the prime suspect, Dhanya Mohan Jamatia, expressing frustration over the delay. The victim's family met with reporters on Saturday to demand immediate police action, urging authorities to apprehend the perpetrator without further delay.
Kilani Dhanya Mohan Jamatia phainai nogo hordi boro achumsa budum badam khlainai dogarok budum gadang khlai phainai habainai bono chopro kha rodrok bai bukha darok bai tana nai kha gangke darok bai tani nai kesa kotorma ke khlai rekha
কয়জনের সময় শোনাবো
11 টাইম খানা হরনি
11
হরনি 11
মানে 11 তাম না তুই বড় কম হাই কে ওয়ালাই লাইখানা সাইদমান
जे खनामानि जोंखे उ चलांके बनो चाजगि तंफो गांके दल बाक्सा खाइनाय को सालाइता वाइसा विसु आगि रगंके दल हाइखे को सालाइता बरक बरक बा वाइसा विसु बा को सालाइंके बा वाइसा विसु फाइखा फाइ थांखा अंके बा हाइनु दल किसा मिसा बा मिलि तंखाता अंके बा ओ चलांके बनो चाजागैनु तंखाना गाबे अंके बा उमयखे Ani cerai tunggu, angan tu jeng manggalam hai rohani nai gosiata.
Beri gosia.
Beri gosia, angkang ke celang ke.
Oh celang ke korang satu saya sudah pai na bui.
Pai pru le bodol bai nu pai po, jeng manu yang mak tham.
Korang tam. Ke je all last je main got nang mani. Angkang ke bos hai cong da apa ke kelai ke na korang tam nutong.
Dol bai nu kelai obu, to bu hani sau.
Korang tam no. Je pani rok.
Bak sapal ngai nai, romai nai. Togo buo lati rogru.
Te korang ni ke sini maka te korang punya.
Sini po orugin ke bo je bujang nai ke sini po makang le sini po bungong le maya ni sau.
Boro age pajak dor jaga jam kini rok.
Boro pajak dia bolang saiman suk dia.
O je Dhanya Manik Jamatia mani. Onu khungo salbasek phaikia bo.
Wai tham rong nai ta.
Wai tham. Ke us kang ke om hai je got nang katana. Tamo men no tui kuno saimi ya norok tap suzar tui.
He, bo tamasuk nasle zakha joli zakha abo jeng bon saimana mu jungja guta oslano sungai nai.
Reporter by Raju Jamatia from Bishramganj, Chini Khorang.